day 2 of our trip, and it is time for breakfast. So let's see what this Tour hotel is offering breakfast-wise. And the restaurant. Whoa. Here we go. Anyhow, good morning. There is breakfast in round number 1. So I got me some eggs, some sausage, and of course a lovely cup of coffee. But what I am excited about is the view. The view outside is absolutely gorgeous. Good morning.
Morning. Hello.
Welcome back to 3 Lanes, 7 Alleys, and we are about to start our live stream very soon. Again, if you didn't catch the live stream when it was up, then I will put a link in the description below. You can go rewatch it on all the social media platforms. All right, and I will see you again after the live stream. Check it out, Camera Bro is doing his thing. Ooh, production quality off the hook. Alright, and we're back, and we just finished our hour-long live stream. Again, if you missed the live stream, please check it in the description below. I will be posting all the links for you to watch. Quite a fascinating show that we did. I needed some ice cream for this hot day. I think pineapple and orange is where it's at. It's gonna make me feel good. 谢谢啊。That's so good, so refreshing. You need to eat ice cream when you're in this place. It's a must. Not really ice cream, it's more like a sorbet. So we're gonna go have lunch again, and then we have the afternoon free. Me and one of the other guys are gonna go do some street photography in the streets at Fuzhou. Oh, that's a big omelet. Oysters. So there's oysters and scallions. What else is in there? Egg. Egg, of course, yeah, it's an omelet. How was it? Really good. Excellent, let's all go. Alright, so this is oyster omelet, let's try. Really creamy, salty, tiny bit fishy. It's really, really good. Let's try with some hot sauce. Now this is vinegar-based sauce. It tastes a little bit like Tabasco. I like that. Really, really good. Alright, so I had a quick rest at the hotel, and now we're out in the streets, so we're going to do some street photography. And we've come to the back of the hotel. There's a large series of old condominiums that are just great for street photography. Hopefully we can get a couple of good shots. And then we're going to head over to the river, which is on the other side. Head to the river with the giant bridge, which should be perfect for sunset. So we found this apartment complex in the back, one of the back streets, and usually this is where you see the real China. You know, you can go to Shenzhen and you see TV, they show all these nice places, but this is the real China. This is where the normal people live. This is real daily life of an average Chinese person. They live in communities like this, which are like small houses. It's just very fortified. If you look up, it's very fortified. Everyone's got bars on their windows. You know, this is the side of China that you don't see in brochures. That's why I always suggest you take a camera and just explore. Just go walk wherever you live, because this is where you're going to learn about the real China and things the way things really are. These people are not oppressed. They're living happily lives. People in there gambling, they're having a good old time. And there's families that you can hear people cooking, kids playing. It's an amazing time. See, bro's got me beat though. He's coming out here. I got my Sony, whatever. I'm cool. Who pulls out a Leica? What am I supposed to compete with that? If anyone wants to buy my camera, let me know. I want to upgrade.
What?
I want to get there.
Good. The other point maybe they have
No time. We got some excellent photos, and now it's time for dinner. Ladies and gentlemen, you can tell me down in the comments below which photos look better. Is it the Sony from yours truly or the Leica? Fuzhou is an absolutely beautiful city. If you ever have the chance, you should come by here. You will not be disappointed. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. See you soon. And our second to last day in Fuzhou is at a very special restaurant where one of the richest and most expensive dishes in all of China are being served. On the next Explore China by Road. We got all our ingredients here ready for the shoot. Exciting stuff. No, you get the tiniest bit of seafood flavor. So this is what one of the little drones look like. That was absolutely incredible!